Ascend cities are decarbonizing mobility and freight logistics in 4 strategic ways by enhancing micromobility and advocating car sharing and e-mobility, while also working to decarbonize freight and integrating green spaces and natural elements into urban design. Clean mobility plays an important role in creating cleaner, greener and healthier cities for all residents. In Alba Iulia, clean mobility looks like building a 6 km network of protected bike lanes and installing 15 new EV charging stations. The charging stations support a fleet of 215 electric vehicles and over twice as many hybrids. These efforts help the city avoid around 9,000 kilowatt-hours of energy use and 110 kilograms of CO2 each month. Budapest is decarbonizing urban transport through solutions like mobility hubs, shared services, and safer school streets. Planned multimodal mobility points, including at the Meghiari Street, Foti Street junction, will integrate micromobility and shared e-mobility. Traffic calming measures around schools like painted pavements and flower boxes are also being introduced and were inspired by Barcelona's School Streets program. Charleroi is transforming its urban environment through a strategy linking bike infrastructure, green public spaces, and improved transport connections. One area of focus is regenerating the HF4 industrial site by creating accessible green spaces and preserving the site's industrial heritage. In Lyon, a micro-hub pilot at the Parc Marché Gare underground car park supported low-emission last-mile deliveries and tested new public-private partnership models. Building on these outcomes, the city is now developing a new mobility hub to integrate low-carbon transport services and infrastructure. Prague is planning a new multimodal mobility hub to improve connections between transport modes. The hub is centered around a new bus terminal in Dolny Poarnus, which will integrate micro-mobility options. Digital tools like mobility analytics and real-time traffic data will help enhance system performance. And a dedicated working group is overseeing data, design, and stakeholder coordination to bring the project to life. Munich is advancing sustainable mobility through its citywide Mobility Point initiative, which bundles shared services like car sharing, bike and e-scooter sharing, cargo bikes, and repair stations. With 102 points already operational and 200 locations expected by 2026, this initiative supports climate neutrality goals and is already being replicated in cities across Germany. Stockholm is advancing sustainable mobility through electrification and targeted pilots to cut transport emissions and improve urban accessibility and quality. The STOLT platform supports Stockholm's goal of a fossil-free inner city by 2030, using the Class 3 environmental zone in the Old Town to demonstrate strategies that reduce car traffic, electrify transport, and improve public space quality. The Electrification Pact now comprises nearly 100 public and private partners and has expanded to around 6,700 public charging points, including 1,700 on city streets. Ascend integrated mobility solutions offer flexible, low-cost, and scalable approaches that promote equity, helping to make cities cleaner and healthier.